Deep in the heart of Ecuador lies Sangay National Park, a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Two towering volcanoes, Sangay and Tungurahua, dominate the landscape. Their slopes plunge dramatically into lush, cloud-cloaked forests. The air hangs heavy with humidity, and the scent of volcanic earth permeates everything. Glaciers cling to the high volcanic peaks, while rivers of molten lava carve paths through ancient forests. This dramatic juxtaposition of fire and ice creates a breathtaking and formidable landscape. It's a place where the forces of nature are on full display, a constant reminder of the Earth's untamed power. This protected area is not just a spectacle of geological wonders, it's a haven for biodiversity. From the heights of the volcanic peaks to the depths of the rainforest, Sangay National Park teems with an astounding array of flora and fauna. Life thrives here in the face of adversity. The park's diverse ecosystems showcase the incredible adaptability of life. Each zone, from high-altitude grasslands to lowland rainforests, harbors unique species. Many of these species are found nowhere else on Earth, making Sangay a treasure trove of biodiversity. The park plays a crucial role in maintaining the ecological balance of the entire region. Its forests act as a vital carbon sink, helping to regulate climate patterns. Rivers and streams originating in the park provide water for countless communities downstream. However, human encroachment, climate change, and illegal activities threaten this delicate balance. Protecting Sangay National Park is about safeguarding a vital part of our planet's natural heritage. It's about ensuring the survival of countless species. This responsibility falls upon us all. Sangay National Park's story began in 1975, when the Ecuadorian government declared it a national park. The park's initial boundaries encompassed over 270,000 hectares, including the towering volcanoes of Sangay and Tungurahua. Over time, the park's borders have shifted in response to various pressures, including human encroachment. In the early years, the park's remote location provided a natural buffer against human interference. But as population grew, the need for stronger protections became apparent. The Ecuadorian government and international conservation organizations implemented stricter regulations and management practices. These efforts aim to mitigate the impacts of human activities on the park's delicate ecosystems. The journey to protect this extraordinary place continues. Indigenous communities living in and around the park have long understood its importance. For generations, they have coexisted with this land, respecting its rhythms and relying on its bounty. Their traditional knowledge and practices have shaped the park's landscapes and continue to be essential in its conservation. These communities have been instrumental in protecting the park from illegal logging, poaching, and other threats. Their deep understanding of the local flora and fauna makes them invaluable partners in conservation efforts. The Ecuadorian government has increasingly involved local communities in the park's management. This collaborative approach fosters a sense of ownership and responsibility essential for long-term conservation success. In 1983, Sangay National Park's global significance was formally acknowledged by UNESCO. This prestigious recognition highlighted the park's outstanding universal value and the need for its protection. The UNESCO designation brought international recognition and increased support for conservation efforts. Funding from international organizations and governments enabled the park authorities to strengthen management, conduct research, and implement conservation measures. This support has been crucial in addressing the growing threats facing the park. The inscription of Sangay National Park on the World Heritage List underscored its ecological significance. It served as a powerful reminder of our shared responsibility in protecting our planet's most precious natural treasures. The park's status as a global icon of conservation inspires awe and wonder worldwide. Sangay National Park is a place of dramatic contrasts. Towering volcanoes pierce the sky, transitioning to lush, cloud-cloaked forests. This diversity creates a mosaic of ecosystems, each teeming with unique life forms. Descending the slopes, dwarf forests give way to dense cloud forests. Further down, the cloud forests transition into lowland rainforests. This is the most biodiverse ecosystem in the park. Sangay National Park is a living testament to nature's resilience. The diversity of ecosystems within Sangay National Park supports an astounding array of wildlife. Over 2,000 plant species have been identified, many found nowhere else on Earth. The park is a botanist's paradise, showcasing the adaptability and resilience of plant life. Animal life is equally varied, with spectacled bears, mountain tapirs, and pumas roaming the park. The rivers and streams are home to various fish species. Amphibians and reptiles thrive in the humid environments. The air is alive with birdsong, with over 500 bird species recorded. Hummingbirds flit from flower to flower. Toucans call out from the treetops. High above, the majestic Andean condors soar on the thermals. Each species plays a vital role in maintaining the delicate balance of this ecosystem. Sangay National Park is a symphony of life, a testament to the interconnectedness of all living things. Among the iconic species in Sangay National Park, the Andean condor and the jaguar stand out. The Andean condor, with its wingspan of over 10 feet, is one of the largest flying birds in the world. It plays a vital role in the ecosystem by cleaning up carcasses and preventing the spread of disease. The jaguar, the largest cat in the Americas, is a powerful predator, regulating prey populations. The presence of these species underscores the importance of ongoing conservation efforts. The park is also home to several primate species, including howler monkeys, spider monkeys, and capuchin monkeys. These primates play a vital role in seed dispersal, maintaining forest diversity. The diversity of wildlife in Sangay National Park is a testament to its pristine condition. Each species contributes to the delicate balance of this ecosystem. Despite its protected status, Sangay National Park faces numerous threats. Deforestation, driven by agricultural expansion and illegal logging, is a pressing challenge. As trees are cleared, wildlife habitat shrinks, leading to increased competition for resources. Climate change is causing glaciers to retreat, impacting water resources. Changes in rainfall patterns could disrupt the park's ecosystems. Illegal hunting and poaching also threaten the park's wildlife. The park authorities face an ongoing battle to patrol the vast area and enforce regulations. The future of Sangay National Park hinges on collective efforts to address these threats. Progress often comes at a price, and for Sangay National Park, this price is human encroachment. The park's boundaries are increasingly under pressure from a growing human population. Agriculture drives deforestation, fragmenting habitats and disrupting the ecosystem. Illegal logging exacerbates the problem, stripping forests bare and leaving scarred landscapes. Mining poses a significant threat, leading to habitat destruction and water contamination. The loss of forests diminishes biodiversity and contributes to climate change. The long-term consequences of these activities can be devastating. Protecting Sangay National Park requires addressing these challenges head-on. The challenges facing Sangay National Park are daunting but not insurmountable. A dedicated group of individuals and organizations work tirelessly to protect this natural treasure. Park rangers patrol the park, monitor wildlife, and educate visitors about conservation. Scientists and researchers provide valuable insights that inform conservation strategies. Local communities are increasingly active in conservation efforts, managing resources sustainably. Community-based programs empower locals to protect their environment and benefit from ecotourism. These collective efforts offer hope for the park's future. Together, they form a beacon of hope for Sangay National Park. The preservation of Sangay National Park is a global imperative. As a UNESCO World Heritage Site, the park belongs to all of humanity. International organizations provide financial and technical assistance for conservation efforts. Governments worldwide have a responsibility to support biodiversity hotspots like Sangay. Individuals can contribute by supporting responsible tourism and spreading awareness. Protecting Sangay National Park requires international collaboration and commitment. Despite the challenges, there is hope for Sangay National Park. Educational programs foster stewardship among younger generations. Sustainable tourism generates revenue for conservation efforts. The resilience of nature offers hope for recovery and regeneration. By mitigating threats, we can give nature the space it needs to heal. Sangay National Park can thrive once more with our collective efforts. Sangay National Park stands as a beacon of hope and a stark reminder of the delicate balance we must strive to maintain. Within its boundaries lies a microcosm of life on Earth, a testament to the power of nature to create, sustain, and inspire. Its towering volcanoes, shrouded in mist and cloaked in emerald forests, whisper tales of resilience and adaptation. This sanctuary, a jewel in Ecuador's crown of natural wonders, is more than just a collection of breathtaking landscapes. It's a living laboratory where scientists can unravel the mysteries of evolution and study the intricate web of life. It's a place where indigenous communities have lived in harmony with nature, their traditions intertwined with the forest. But Sangay National Park faces an uncertain future. The relentless march of progress threatens to encroach upon its boundaries. Deforestation, climate change, and poaching cast a long shadow over the park, jeopardizing its delicate ecosystems. The fate of Sangay National Park hangs in the balance, a stark reminder of the consequences of our actions and the urgent need for a collective shift in consciousness. The echoes of nature's symphony, the whispers of the wind through the trees, and the roar of the volcano serve as a potent call to action, urging us to protect this irreplaceable treasure for generations to come. The task may seem daunting, but we must not succumb to despair. Within each of us lies the power to make a difference, to choose a path that leads to a more sustainable and harmonious relationship with our planet. By supporting conservation efforts, reducing our ecological footprint, and advocating for policies that protect our natural heritage, we can help turn the tide. Education is key. By teaching our children about the importance of biodiversity, the interconnectedness of all living things, and the consequences of our actions, we can empower them to become stewards of our planet. We must ignite within them the same sense of wonder and awe that Sangay National Park evokes, inspiring them to protect its beauty and its legacy. The preservation of Sangay National Park is not just the responsibility of the Ecuadorian government or conservation organizations. It's a shared responsibility that transcends borders and cultures. This natural wonder, with its irreplaceable biodiversity and ecological significance, belongs to all of humanity, and its protection requires a global effort. We must recognize that our well-being is inextricably linked to the health of our planet. The air we breathe, the water we drink, and the food we eat all depend on the delicate balance of ecosystems like those found within Sangay National Park. By protecting this park, we're not just preserving a place of extraordinary beauty, we're safeguarding our own future. Let the legacy of Sangay National Park be a testament to our commitment to conservation, a symbol of our collective will to protect our planet's remaining wild places. Let its towering volcanoes, shrouded in mist and echoing with the sounds of life, serve as a constant reminder of the preciousness of our natural heritage and the importance of preserving it for generations to come.